Robert Kamuhebwa ayongere yashobora ngo abantu aba abarukugwa mu Eihanga ya Congo nibarondaho kutura mu Uganda kandi ekiresirweho entarezi kugenda mu Eihanga ryabo hagati ya government hamwe n'abahekera ba M23.
These people keep running away from the conflict, and when we interview them, they tell us they are running away from insecurity because they are, as the other forces captured the territory, North Kivu, the M23, as the militia groups remained, as you are all aware that that corridor of North Kivu and South Kivu, it's a corridor with so many militia groups.
Robert Kamuhebwa yangere yagirangwa hagati y'esande 3 abantu bari hagati ya 5 na rushanju nabo bakutwarwa Gw'Empungi Ezirikutaaha na Kivale hamwe na Rwamanja mu Uganda okwenda kutunga hibatura.
Even after 3 days, 4 days, we relocate some of these people to the settlement camps. We normally take between 500 and 700 to Nakivale, to Rwamanja. So we keep on reducing, we keep decongesting the transit center, because if we had not decongested, by now we would be having over 30,000 asylum seekers at the transit center. And
Robert yayengere yasima abyo kwerinda abo kugira ngo border zone ya Uganda hamwe ne ya Congo hariho ebyo kwerinda byahiguru kandi yayengere yasima abantu baburijo okureba ngo bahereza abantu abaho kutura ombwire nkobo.
As I said, Uganda operates an open door policy for refugees, and I want to thank the communities in Kisoro, the populations along the borderline, for having been so receptive to these asylum seekers.
Abantu abarukurwa mu Eihanga ya Congo kandi bakutaho mu Uganda Ahabw'Omuhendo yabunagana bashoborire ko abahekera ba M23 barukwenda amaju gabo bakibintu byabo na munongo mbwire bwekiro.
Vita ndio tunatoka kule na maisha mubaya na krizi, hatuna vya kukula, basi njala ilikuwa tafuta tuone, tunasema ngo tukimbilia huko tuzisaidie.
Ombeni kwimanti niho urwo mu Eihanga ya Congo kandi ori mu Uganda Gw'Empungi nawe yangere yashobora abahekera abaho kuba kwenda amaju gabo nyekiro kandi bakibe bintu otireho nuko bita
kumanywa ndo bareba ariko nijoro bari kuza bakinzira buri nzu bari kwiba no kwica abantu bakongera bakagenda. Donc aba M23 bo bari gutambuka kumanywa nijoro ndo bakunze kutambagira cyane mu makariti. Sasa bari bukarikire bumaze kwira babazana bakona bakinjira mu mungini bakiba no kwica abantu.
Gasha kwa Adoni Atire Habw'Atayari West.